Hey there, Python people. If you've ever worked on a Python project, you've probably juggled a few different tools to get things done. You've got pip for installing packages, vn for creating virtual environments. Maybe you've even leveled up to a full-on project manager like Poetry. It works, but it can feel like you're herding cats, right? Well, what if I told you there's a new tool that can replace all of them? A single tool that's not just more convenient, but is blazingly fast. We're talking 10 to 100 times faster. The game is changing, and its name is UV. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started. We'll build a brand new project from scratch, explore the most important commands you'll use every day, and even migrate existing projects. By the end of this, you'll be ready to supercharge your Python workflow. Let's get into it. All right, let's get our hands dirty and see what UV is all about. The first thing we need to do is, of course, install it. Just pop open your terminal and run the command for your system. Once that's finished, you can make sure everything's working by checking the version. This is a great way to confirm the install was successful. Perfect. Now for the fun part. Let's create a new project. Instead of making a folder and figuring everything out yourself, you can just use UV init. See that? UV just created a pyproject.toml file and even a starter main.py for us. To get a better look, let's open up the project in VS Code. Every good Python project needs a virtual environment to keep its dependencies isolated. With UV, you just type UV venv. Though, as we'll see later, UV is so smart it can often handle this for you automatically. To start using it, we just need to activate it. Note that the command is slightly different if you're on Windows. Okay, environment is ready. Let's install some libraries. We'll add Fast API and Unicorn using the UV add command. Watch the speed here. Boom, done. UV added the dependencies to our pyproject.toml and created a uv.lock file to keep everything consistent. Now, let's update that main.py with some actual Fast API code. I'll just paste in a simple Hello World endpoint. To run this, we use UV run. And here's the best part. UV run works even if you haven't explicitly activated your environment. It's smart enough to find it and use it automatically. Now that you've seen the basics, let's take a quick tour of the other commands that will become your new best friends. Need a tool for testing? Add it as a dev dependency. It goes into a special dependency group section so it stays out of your production build. If you change your mind, removing it is just as easy. Just remember to include the --dev flag if that's where you put it. Cloning a project on a new machine? UV sync is all you need. It reads the lock file and reconstructs your environment perfectly in milliseconds. Ever wonder how your packages are related? UV tree gives you a beautiful, clear view of your entire dependency graph. And checking Python versions is a breeze. You can install new versions directly through UV, find where they are, or create environments for specific versions with the -p flag. Need to switch Python versions for your project? Just update the .python-version file, run UV sync, and your environment will be rebuilt with the right Python version automatically. Finally, UV lock --refresh will update your lock file to the latest compatible versions of your libraries. It's the safest way to keep your project up to date. Starting new projects is great, but what about your existing ones? I've opened a legacy project here that uses a standard requirements.txt with dozens of packages. You can immediately use UV as a super fast pip replacement. Watch the side-by-side comparison here. But to get the full project management power, you can migrate the whole thing with just one command, UVX migrate to UV. Look at that. UV just read the requirements.txt, created a proper pyproject.toml, mapped every single dependency, and generated a lock file. Your legacy project is now a modern UV project in seconds. What if you're already using Poetry? You might have a massive project with complex version constraints. Well, I've opened a demo Poetry project here, complete with dev groups and Creat requirements. The raw speed of UV is tempting, but retyping all those dependencies would be a nightmare. Again, Migrate to UV comes to the rescue. It's like magic. It translates Poetry's Creat syntax into standard PEP 440 versions, moves your dev groups to the right section, and preserves all your metadata. One quick UV sync later, and you've switched from Poetry to the fastest manager in the game without breaking a sweat. As you can see, UV is so much more than just a faster pip. It's a complete, modern toolkit that simplifies your entire Python workflow. My challenge to you is to try it out on one of your own projects. I promise you'll be impressed. If you found this guide helpful, a thumbs up would be amazing, and be sure to subscribe for more Python tutorials. I'd love to hear what you think, so drop a comment below. Are you going to give UV a spin? Thanks for watching, and happy coding!